There's a big bird up there, boy. I guess it's that time of the year that the giant birds have returned to South Carolina. Sorry for the camera work. I'm in a glare zone out there. Looks like the big boy's heading off over there. I hope everybody got a look at that. I couldn't really tell how good a camera work I was doing because of the horrible glare. Well, that was terrible. I couldn't see. It was glary. It was light bouncing everywhere. If it hadn't been for that cool dog sitting right there looking up in the sky and barking, I wouldn't even know that sucker was up there. Maybe we'll get lucky and it'll fly back this way shortly and I'll be able to get another video. Till next time, vlog over, dudes.